Hello student, welcome to the new lecture of analog circuit. In this lecture, we will discuss about the simplified hybrid model, or you can say the approximate analysis. So let's begin. So previous lecture में हम लोगों ने एक प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व किया था और हम लोगों ने उस सर्किट के वोल्टेज गेन, करंट गेन, ओवरऑल वोल्टेज गेन, इनपुट रेजिस्टेंस एंड ओवरऑल इनपुट रेजिस्टेंस को कैलकुलेट किया था एंड वी हैव रियलाइज्ड यूजिंग सॉल्विंग दैट प्रॉब्लम कि प्रॉब्लम्स आर बिट लेंदी, प्रॉब्लम्स लंबे हो जाते हैं, उनका कैलकुलेशन भी काफ़ी लंबा हो जाता है इफ़ हम एक हाइब्रिड एनालिसिस, जिसको एग्जैक्ट हाइब्रिड एनालिसिस भी हम लोग कह सकते हैं, अगर उसका इस्तेमाल करते हैं तो व्हाट इज़ द सॉल्यूशन हियर. So let's try to find out the solution here. So first of all, we draw the exact hybrid model of any transistor, and then we will see what can we do in that circuit so that the simplified hybrid model can be developed use from exact hybrid model. So this is the exact hybrid model of common emitter mode operation of transistor. So now, if as we know that the value of HOE, if we take the typical value of HOE is around 40 kilo ohm, and load, if we will consider it like 1 to 2 kilo ohm, then the value of HOE is very greater than 1 by HOE is very greater than RL. So the condition we are applying here, RL is very less than 1 upon HOE. 1 upon HOE is nothing but a resistance. So if this condition persists, that the RL is very less than HOE, then we can consider it as a open circuit. So if this is the condition, then we can take 1 upon HOE is open circuit. So where we can take this approximation, so there should have some condition कि ये condition you cannot apply in everywhere. First of all, you have to see in the problem if the RL is less than equal to 1 upon 10 HOE. So if RL is less than or equal to 1 upon 10 HOE, then what can we write here? That RL HOE, agar HOE we will take it in the left hand side, then what it will come around 0.1. This is the condition actually. If the product of RL and HOE is less than equal to 0.1, then this approximation can take place. If अगर हम कहीं भी कोई अप्रॉक्सीमेशन ले रहे हैं, मीन्स कि आपका जो एग्जैक्ट जो रिज़ल्ट आना था एक एग्जैक्ट एक मॉडल एक एनालिसिस से, उससे जो आपका रिज़ल्ट होगा वो एग्जैक्ट वैल्यू नहीं देगा, जो अप्रॉक्सीमेट अगर आप कोई कैलकुलेशन करते हैं तो. बट इफ़ दिस कंडीशन परसिस्ट, देन आपका जो अप्रॉक्सीमेशन होगा दैट विल be, you can neglect it, you can say that you can neglect that error. So we can take the approximation if the condition of the problem will have RL HOE is less than equal to 0.1. So in this case what can we do? HOE we can consider it as a 0, means HOE का if you can consider it as a 0 means 1 upon HOE will be a infinity. So 1 upon HOE act as a open circuit. यहाँ पे condition, what should be the condition here, that RL should be low. So the RL is very less than HOE. So if the RL is very less than HOE, then the voltage drop across the RL would be low. So VC should be low. Actually we are and this is the one approximation. If this condition persists, then one approximation we can do, that the one this HOE we can take it as a open circuit. So if this condition persists, so what are the other approximation we can do it here, that we are trying to find out. So this RL is low, so this across the RL voltage, the voltage drop would be low, means VC, the value of VC would be low. This result VC is equal to low. So if VC is equal to low, then you can see here that this is a voltage control voltage source, और ये voltage control voltage source है जो output के voltage पे dependent है, that is the dependent source. So if the value of VC is low, then we can consider it as a neglect zero value. So this is the second approximation we can take here, that H R E V C we can approximate it as a 0, means this voltage is approximately equal to 0. What does it mean? That HRE is equal to 0. We can approximate here, the second approximation here is the HRE is equal to 0. So अगर आपके को प्रॉब्लम दिया जाता है और that problem you want to solve it using the simplified hybrid model or approximate hybrid model, तो उसके लिए जो कंडीशन है वो कंडीशन आपको यहाँ इस कंडीशन को यूज़ करना है, that you have to check it whether RL the product of RL and HOE should be less than equal to 0.1. अगर ये जो कंडीशन है वो फुलफ़िल करेगा, फर्दर ही आप HOE को आप ओपन सर्किट यूज़ कर सकते हो और HRE को आप कंसीडर ज़ीरो कर सकते हो. एंड एज द HRE का वैल्यू आप अप्रॉक्सीमेट ज़ीरो करेंगे तो ये जो आपका वोल्टेज कंट्रोल वोल्टेज सोर्स है वो एक शॉर्ट सर्किट की तरह वर्क करने लगेगा. सो वी कैन राइट like when HOE RL is less than equal to 0.1, this is the condition. If we will see it in a particular problem, then we can use this approximate or simplified hybrid model with HRE and HOE is equal to 0. So जब HRE and HOE 0 हो जाएंगे, in simplified or approximate analysis we can draw. So the approximate analysis will look like this is HI and HRA is short circuited, so this is short circuit, and Here is a one current controlled current source, that is HFEIB. HOE is treated as open circuit. So this is the current flow would be IB. This is VE. This is B terminal, this is C terminal, and this is emitter terminal. This voltage drop is VCE, and this is VBE. The current will flow IC here, and this is nothing but a simplified hybrid model. So we can write simplified model. तो जैसा भी हम कहीं भी अप्रॉक्सीमेट का इस्तेमाल करते हैं, मीन्स वी आर समवेयर मीन्स compromising with the exact solution. So अगर we are using the approximate solution, तो जो आपका exact model है उससे जो result आएगा वो definitely जो approximate analysis से हम result जो निकाल रहे हैं that is have some error. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल अगर आप एक एग्ज़ाम्पल मैं देना चाहता हूँ, लाइक जब भी आप कोई एग्ज़ाम देने के लिए जाते हैं तो MCQs में बेसिकली हम लोग क्या करते हैं, अगर आपको कोई MCQs सॉल्व करना है तो वी आर नॉट हेडिंग टुवर्ड्स द एग्जैक्ट सॉल्यूशन ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम. हम लोग वी हैव वन 4 ऑप्शन, तो हम लोग मतलब अप्रॉक्सीमेटली हम लोग सॉल्यूशन मीन्स इफ सम प्रॉब्लम्स हैव अ कैलकुलेशन लाइक पाई का ही वैल्यू, इफ यू हैव अ कैलकुलेशन ऑफ समवेयर पाई से मल्टीप्लाई या डिवाइड हो रहा है, तो फिर वी डू सम अप्रॉक्सीमेशन लाइक 3 पॉइंट, जैसे पाई का वैल्यू 3.14 होता है, बट वी आर यूजिंग 3 सो दैट वी कैन रीच टू द approximate to the solution so that we can tick the exact answer. जरूरी नहीं है कि आपको एक MCQ सॉल्व करने के लिए आपको एग्जैक्ट रिजल्ट पे पहुंचना ही है, बिकॉज इट विल टेक टाइम. सो जैसे कि हम लोगों ने लास्ट क्लास में हमने प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व किया था, इट टेक्स वी कैन रियलाइज दैट इट इज़ टेकिंग टू मच टाइम. सो अगर इस तरह का हमें कंडीशन मिल जाता है दैट इज HOERL इज लेस देन इक्वल टू 0.1, तो वी कैन यूज़ टू द अप्रॉक्सीमेट एनालिसिस. तो ये जो अप्रॉक्सीमेट एनालिसिस जो आपको रिजल्ट आएगा वो डेफिनेटली जो एग्जैक्ट एनालिसिस से रिजल्ट आना है वो उससे आपको वो एग्जैक्ट रिजल्ट नहीं देगा, ये अप्रॉक्सीमेट एनालिसिस. सो हाउ मच एरर वी कैन गेट विद द हेल्प ऑफ अप्रॉक्सीमेट एनालिसिस, दिस इज द एक्चुअल question. So if you will use the approximate analysis, then the error would not be greater than or less than 10%. मीन्स जो आपका रिजल्ट आएगा वो आपको 10% के अंदर ही वो एरर देता है जो आप यहाँ पे अप्रॉक्सीमेट एनालिसिस लगाते हैं. सो वी कैन राइट हियर इन दिस केस error is less than equal to 10%. बिकॉज अगर हम कोई ऐसा एक कोई भी एनालिसिस लगा रहे हैं जिसमें एरर बहुत ज़्यादा आ रहा है, लाइक 20% 30% आ रहा है, तो उस एनालिसिस या उस जो भी आपका अप्रोच टू द सॉल्यूशन इज़ नॉट गुड. बट 10% इस अप्रॉक्सीमेट एनालिसिस से हमको एरर आता है. सो वी कैन, अगर हमको कोई भी सॉल्यूशन इफ़ वी गेट इट हियर with the help of approximate analysis, so we can take the tolerance band of 10%. so कि उसका एग्जैक्ट आंसर जो होगा वो 10% अप या डाउन जा सकता है. वी कैन एनालाइज बाय यूजिंग दिस दैट कि ये जो आपका एनालिसिस अप्रॉक्सीमेट एनालिसिस है वो 10% का एरर देता है. ओके, सो फर्दर जो आपका ये हम लोगों ने सिंप्लीफाइड मॉडल ड्रॉ किया है, उसको वी कैन ड्रॉ इट लाइक दिस वे ऑल्सो. दिस इज HIR, so we can draw it like this is HIE, and this is the current controlled current source. So we can draw one current controlled current source, and this terminal and this terminal is connected, and this is nothing but a emitter terminal. So this is emitter terminal, this is collector terminal, this is base terminal. Current flowing through it is IB, and current, this is H F E IB. So this model is applicable to all the three mode of operation. What I want to say it here कि either अगर आपके क्वेश्चन अगर आपका कॉमन कलेक्टर का हो या कॉमन इमिटर का हो या कॉमन बेस का हो, तो हम सेम कंडीशन को ही अप्लाई करते हैं. दैट इज़ वी विल चेक इट HOE RL is should be less than 0.1, and same model will be used for common base also and कॉमन कलेक्टर एंड कॉमन इमिटर. सारे के लिए यही कंडीशन हम यूज़ करते हैं और इसी मॉडल का यूज़ करेंगे हम बाकी तीनों मोड ऑफ ऑपरेशन का अगर कोई सर्किट दिया हुआ रहता है तो. सो वी विल सी इट द लेटर हो फर्स्ट विल राइट इट हियर. दिस इज वैलिड फॉर common collector, common emitter, and common base, and same condition is used for all case, that is HOE RL dash is equal to 0.1. सो मैं यहाँ पे ये कहना चाह रहा हूँ कि अगर आपका कोई सर्किट कॉमन बेस का दिया हुआ है या कॉमन कलेक्टर का दिया हुआ है या फिर कॉमन कलेक्टर इमीटर का दिया हुआ है, उन तीनों कंडीशन में अगर आप उस पर्टिकुलर सर्किट को आप अप्रॉक्सीमेट एनालिसिस से सॉल्व करना चाहते हैं, तो अगर वो कॉमन बेस का हो या कॉमन कलेक्टर का भी हो, उसके लिए भी आपको जो कंडीशन यहाँ पे यूज़ करना होगा डैट इज़ HOE RL का कंडीशन ही चेक करना होगा. कॉमन कलेक्टर के कंडीशन में HOC RL वी विल नॉट चेक, एंड इन केस ऑफ द कॉमन बेस में HOB RL वी विल नॉट चेक. वी विल चेक इट द HOE RL is less than equal to 1 for all the three mode of operation का कोई भी सर्किट आता है, या तो कॉमन बेस का आएगा, या कॉमन कलेक्टर का आएगा, या कॉमन इमीटर का आएगा. तो हम यही सेम कंडीशन वी विल यूज़ और चेक, and if the condition fulfills it, that HOE RL is less than equal to 0.1, then this approximate analysis we will do in that particular circuit. सो हम जब इससे रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करेंगे देन आपको चीज़ें और अच्छे से क्लियर होगी. सो लेट अस टेक वन एग्जांपल हियर ऑफ कॉमन इमीटर. So this is a typical circuit of common emitter, and when we check it, that the value of HOE, the product of HOE and RL will be here. It will if we will do the AC analysis, it will act as a short circuit, and it will be a grounded one, and this RL dash would be here RC parallel to RL, and we will check the condition HOE RL dash is less than equal to 0.1. If this condition persists, we get then we can draw the approximate analysis for the given circuit. So we are drawing the approximate circuit for the analysis. So this is Vs, source resistance, and this is HIE, and this will be a short circuit, and there will be a current controlled current source, that is HFEIB, and this RL dash, I am directly taking RL dash here. RL dash would be in parallel, and this is V0, and this consider it as a V1, and current flowing through is a IB. So let in this scenario HOE RL dash is equal to 0.1. So we will check it here कि अगर हम एक एग्जैक्ट एनालिसिस करते हैं और उसके बाद हम सिंप्लीफाइड और जो है आपका अप्रॉक्सीमेट एनालिसिस करते हैं, तो जो हम यहाँ पे एक पैरामीटर निकालेंगे, दैट इज़ द करंट गेन, इनपुट रेजिस्टेंस, वोल्टेज गेन एंड आउटपुट रेजिस्टेंस. तो उस जो पर्टिकुलर पैरामीटर में एग्जैक्ट एनालिसिस से और सिंप्लीफाइड एनालिसिस से कितना डिफरेंस आता है, and what is the error for the case of current gain, input resistance, voltage gain and output resistance. So यहाँ हम लोगों ने कंडीशन लिया है HOE RL dash is equal to 0.1. So let's start. So first of all we will see the current gain. What we have got the current gain value in case of exact analysis. So AI is equal to minus HFE beta 1 plus HOE RL. तो इन दिस केस HOE RL का वैल्यू HOE RL or RL dash whatever is equal to 0.1. So RL dash is equal to 0.1 is here. So this is minus of HFE 1.1. So in case of simplified analysis, if we have considered HOE is as a 0, because 1 upon HOE we have considered it as a infinity, so HOE is equal to 0 we have considered in case of the simplified analysis. So what we will get, the value of AI in simplified analysis is equal to, this term would be 0, and in numerator we have minus of HFE by 1, so minus of HFE. So here we will get, if we'll take the modulus here, so it will come around HFE, because हम लोग यहाँ पे साइन की बात नहीं करेंगे, यहाँ हम लोग एक मैग्नीट्यूड की, हमें मैग्नीट्यूड की बात करें कि हमें कितना परसेंटेज ऑफ एरर मिलेगा. सो वी आर टेकिंग इट हियर अ मॉड, दिस इज HFE. So we can say here that AI is equal to HFE is greater than AI, because AI have HFE by 1.1, but that is denominator is greater here, so we'll get AI dash is greater than AI, and we will get it, the error percentage of error is here approximately 10%, because it is the difference is in the denominator is 10%, 10%. So if we will calculate, the error will be around 10%. So here we are getting that 10% more in case of the simplified analysis. So we can write it here that current gain in simplified model is overestimated, because overestimate हो रहा है, we are, because we are getting AI dash is greater, so overestimated current gain is overestimated in simplified analysis, overestimated by 10%. Approx means maximum it will go to the 10%. If this the value of HOE and RL should is, we are taking the maximum value of that is 0.1. If the condition that HOE RL is less than 0.1, then definitely this error will be less. So the maximum overestimated here is the 10% in case of the current gain. The next one is the input resistance. So in input resistance, what is the expression in case of the exact analysis? Ri is equal to Hi plus AI RL dash HR E, and this AI is a negative value, so this the whole part is the negative one, means it will subtract from the HI, will give you the input resistance. In simplified model, the value of HR is 0, because we have sort the current control current source, voltage control voltage sources we have sorted out here. So the value of HRE is 0. So this term will be 0 in case of the simplified analysis. What we will get the input resistance here? Ri dash is here is Hi. Here in this case, Ri is also overestimated here because this will subtract the value from Hi, and this is the alone term Hi will get in the simplified analysis. So Ri is overestimated, and it is overestimated by approximately 5%. Is overestimated. Approx. The next one is voltage gain, AV, that is AI RL by Ri. In this case, we can take the differential because input resistance, we know the compensation of, if we will see that the value of AV is the function of AI and Ri, and this AI we know that in simplified analysis the error is around overestimated by 10%, and in the same manner input resistance is overestimated by 5%. So if we will take this as a differential, then we'll get it here AV is equal to, and if we take the differential value, then the product term will come, and that will be in positive, and the division term will come negative. So this we can write it like AI by AI plus RL. Here this is RL dash minus, this is the division term, so and negative minus term will come here, del Ri is equal to Ri. So percentage change, if we want to calculate it here, that this is plus 10% in case of the simplified analysis. If we can calculate it here, then the same in simplified analysis the voltage gain would be the same one, but the AI is simplified version, we will put it here, and Ri will put it here simplified version. So we can write the same thing here, we'll get the same result Ri, but the percentage, what is the percentage error you can calculate, it is 10% rate of change is here is 10%. So del, if this is del AV is equal to plus 10% overestimated del AI by del AI we have calculated here, and RL dash would be the same, means ये आपका change नहीं होगा because this is a constant value, so this is 0, and this is Ri was 5% overestimated, so it is 5%. So how it will come plus 5%, means in simplified analysis AV dash is overestimated plus 5% approx. Output resistance is equal to HOE minus HRE HFE RS plus HI. This is the expression for the exact analysis. So if you will see it here, that the value of HOE, we have taken it as a 0. So this will bring the change 0 here, and here the HRE is also, we have taken it here as 0. So there will be a 0%. So in this case, we can say that the percentage error of the output resistance is here negligible. होप आपको ये चीज़ अच्छे से समझ में आई होगी. So further we can take one example, and we will solve it with the help of simplified model. तो आपको ये this approximate model कैसे यूज़ करना है, you can better understand it. So we have taken one circuit here, that is a common collector, because the output is taken it from emitter, and input is taken is from base, and this collector is common to both. So this is the circuit of the common collector, and the condition is given here. The HOE RL is nothing but because RE, and this RE is act as a load here. So this is RL. This condition given here, the HOE RL is equal to less than equal to 0.1. So here we will find the value. We will find it here, AI, RI, AV, and R0. So if this condition prevails in this circuit, that is HOE RL or RE is less than equal to 0.1, so we can use approximate analysis. So apply approximate model. So we are drawing here the approximate model. So RS is here, VS source voltage is here, and HI will come in series with the RS. And first of all, जब भी हम हाइब्रिड एनालिसिस करते हैं तो क्या करेंगे, VCC को ग्राउंड करेंगे, AC एनालिसिस, and this is the ground, this will be the grounded one, and we'll try to draw the approximate model. This is VS, source resistance is here, HI will come, now see, one current source, we can draw it like HF EIV. You just see it, this is HI, and one current is flowing through this, and second current is flowing through this. So this current is flowing IB, and the sum of the current will go through the output terminal, that is here I naught. The current flow will here I naught. I naught is nothing but IB plus HFE IB. We can write it like 1 plus HFE IB, and here this is grounded, and this terminal is collector 1. This is common collector and emitter, and this collector is grounded also. So this is the emitter terminal. So we can draw this RE here, and across RE V naught output is taken, and I naught will be flow through this RE. Further we can this show it here. V1 is this, and RI is, when we'll see it from this at this position, and R naught would be here. And if we will calculate here resistance, then it will be the R naught dash, means considering the load resistance, means R naught dash will be parallel to RE and R naught. So now we can easily solve get the value of I, RI and AV and R naught. So हम लोग एक बार चेक कर लेते हैं कि हमारा कुछ छूटा तो नहीं है. RS we have drawn, HI, this is the input resistance, HFE IB we have drawn, and this the sum of the current is flowing through I naught, and I naught is flowing through RE. So RE is this. So this is the approximate hybrid model with अगर ये condition दिया हुआ था. So we can see it here कि आपको एक प्रॉब्लम कॉमन कलेक्टर का दिया हुआ है, बट व्हाट कंडीशन यू हैव टू चेक, दैट HOE-RL वी कंडीशन यू हैव टू चेक, एंड द सेम. अब देखिए ये जो मॉडल भी है वहाँ पे आपका आप HFE and IE you are using it, not HIC or HFC you are not using. So इस चीज़ का आपको ध्यान देना है कि जब भी आप अप्रॉक्सीमेट एनालिसिस करते हैं तो कंडीशन कॉमन इमीटर कहीं लगेगा, और आपके जो हाइब्रिड पैरामीटर है दैट विल बी ऑल्सो ऑफ कॉमन इमीटर ही आपका यूज़ कर मतलब होता है. So from here we can calculate I naught from this equation. We can write it here. I naught is equal to 1 plus HFE IB, and I naught by IB is equal to, we can write like I naught by II is nothing but AI, and this AI is 1 plus HFE. So the current gain of the common collector is 1 plus HFE by using simplified hybrid model analysis. Further, we will calculate the value of RI, input resistance. So RI, we write it here, RI and Ri, we can see the diagram that this Ri is nothing but V1 by IB. So this is V1 by IB, V1 by IB, and from figure we can calculate the value of IB here. So this is the IB, V1 we can calculate. V1 is the sum of this voltage drop across this, means IB HI, and the voltage drop across RE, and that is the I naught into RE, and I naught is given here 1 plus HFE IB. So we can write here V1 is equal to H I E I B plus 1 plus H F E I B R E divided by IB. So IB I will cancel out in numerator and denominator, and we will get the value of RI is equal to H I E plus 1 plus H F E R E. So we can write it here, Ri input resistance for common collector is Hi plus 1 plus HFE RE. So आप लोग फील कर रहे होंगे कि with the help of simplified model problems को solve करना is bit easy. So next what is we have to calculate voltage gain AB. AB is nothing but V0 by V1 is equal to, so what is V0? V0 is equal to I naught RE, and I naught is given here, and V1. So V1 is the same what we have written input resistance IB HI into I naught RE. So we can write one plus HF E IB RE, and V1 is equal to, we'll write this V1 in terms of the IB, so that IB will cancel out, IB into RI. RI we have already calculated this here, so IB will cancel out, then we will get it here 1 plus HFE RE. We can use the value of RI here, then HIE 1 plus HFE RE. From here also you can see last time हम लोगों ने common collector का analysis किया था with the help of exact analysis, and we got the value of AB is around 1, the voltage gain is around 1, and here also we can get if we will do some approximation here, because HI is around 1.1 kilo ohm, and RE is the HFE is around 50, and if RE is 1 kilo ohm, then this term is very greater than HI, so we will approximate it, the numerator part is equal to 1 plus HFE RE, and this 1 plus HFE RE from the numerator to denominator will cancel out, and will कम अराउंड AV इज इक्वल टू 1. सो हम लोग यहाँ से भी सिंप्लीफाइड मॉडल से हम लोग देख सकते हैं कि करंट वोल्टेज गेन ऑफ कॉमन कलेक्टर इज कमिंग 1. Next we will calculate it here, output resistance. So जैसा कि एग्जैक्ट एनालिसिस में हम लोगों ने आउटपुट रेजिस्टेंस कैलकुलेट करने के लिए हमने क्या किया था, सोर्स वोल्टेज को 0 किया था, एंड देन वी हैव calculate the value of R0, because when we will not जितने भी आपका डिपेंडेंट सोर्स हैं उसको ज़ीरो नहीं करेंगे तो वी कैन नॉट फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस. सो अगर आप यहाँ से सर्किट को देखते हैं तो आपको एक वोल्टेज सोर्स नज़र आता है, और जो भी वोल्टेज सोर्स आपका इंडिपेंडेंट वोल्टेज सोर्स है उसको आपको ज़ीरो करना पड़ेगा. अगर करंट सोर्स है तो उसको ओपन सर्किट करना पड़ेगा, तभी आप उस सर्किट का आप रेजिस्टेंस आप निकाल सकते हैं. सो फॉर द केस ऑफ आउटपुट रेजिस्टेंस वी विल शॉर्ट दिस Vs, एंड सो हम लोग एक नया सर्किट यहाँ ड्रॉ करते हैं. सो दिस इज Rs, this is HI, this is voltage controlled voltage source HFE IB, this is voltage source is short circuited, and this is V2. V2 or V0 we can see. This is V0, and current is flowing through IB. So current will be here, I0 is equal to 1 plus HF EIB. So we can write it here, Y0 is equal to I0 by V0, I0 by V0 is equal to I0 is equal to 1 plus HFE IB, 1 plus HFE IB by V0. So V0 we can write here, V0 is the sum of voltage drop across this. So there is two resistance here, R1 is Rs and Hi. These the voltage drop across this would be V0. So and the current flowing through it is IB. So we can write it here, Rs plus HIE into IB. IB will cancel out, and we can get the value of 1 plus HFE by Rs HIE. So in this way we can calculate the parameters, the voltage gain, current gain, input resistance and output resistance with the help of simplified hybrid model. आप इसको अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस कीजिए एंड ट्राई कीजिए प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करने के लिए, देन यू विल is comfortable to solve using this hybrid model analysis. So this is it for today. We will meet in the next lecture. Thank you.